Well, if that does not take a long time to set up all this stuff, I don't know what does. I took a little vacation, met Jared Polin. I did his photo boot camp over the last couple days. And to be quite honest with you, I learned quite a lot. The photographs were not up to my expectations of my own photographs, but it was 100 degrees out, and we basically talked, shot, and edited photography for like 11 hours straight. So it was really, really cool. I got to ask Jared a whole bunch of questions. And I've got to say, guys, I do think this is a wonderful value for the money. For the price that he was doing it, we actually got 2.5 hours extra. We got lunch. The people that he included were models with experience in photo and video, so they could really answer all the questions that we had. And there was also some of his friends there, a man named Greg, who also does sports photography. So he was very, very, very knowledgeable. The whole experience was pretty amazing. Because we went into overtime, the critiques did get a little bit long in the tooth. Towards the end of the critiques, somebody had told me, you better put your card in because he's gonna get tired. And sure enough, he did, and we went way, way over. So the critiques and the introductions lasted a little bit longer, but I do think this is a fantastic value for your money, and I am definitely gonna be a better photographer, and that translates over to videography for you guys. That's all, guys. I just wanted to let you know. I want to say thank you to Jared. Thank you to Greg, who confused me all day long because Jared kept saying Greg, and I was like, what? Dude, we're friends. We weren't. No, but it was an amazing, valuable experience. Philadelphia may not be the city for me. Very crazy there, but then you go one street over and it is exceptionally quiet and peaceful. And then you go 2 streets over and people are walking up to your car, trying to ask you for money, like from all angles. So it's one of those things. Maybe you've been to Philadelphia. Let me know what you guys think of it down below. I definitely enjoyed my stay there, although it was short. I flew 1 hour in from Providence or Boston. They usually say Boston when they're talking about Warwick or Providence. It's very confusing. Let's say I flew from Boston to Philly. It only took about an hour, give or take the airport stuff, which takes up your whole day and consumes your soul. No, but yeah, seriously, the 1 hour flight took about like 3 hours to set everything up. I rented a car, and I stayed for about a day and a half. I paid about $100 and something to park at the hotel and in the city, and I spent around $1,000 on the trip itself and $1,000 to book the group that Jared Polin was hosting. Now, he did have models there. There was 5 models. There was 2 sports models, there was a skateboarder, and 2 regular models, and they really did an exceptional job. And as I said earlier, a lot of them knew about photo and video to the point that they knew probably more than most of the photographers that were there. I also met a lot of cool people. I also got some photographs taken of me, which I did ask for because I don't often get to actually get photos of myself. I'm usually the one taking photos or recording video. That being said, guys, Frono's photo workshop was really, really awesome, and I wish I could do it every year, and I wish I could contribute to a team like that. That would be so, so awesome. But I really, really did enjoy my time, and I have not edited the photos, so I might sprinkle a little in as B-roll, but I really just got back and I have tons of videos to edit. Way, way behind, guys. As usual, the anxiety is boop, 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 boop. I gotta go. I've got a partnership with Kiwi Design. I'm gonna have some affiliate marketing links down below. I do get a kickback from that, and they did send me some products to test, and I'll be recording those videos shortly after this one. Check out the links below. Use my links to shop. Thank you, everyone who went to the boot camp. I met a lot of cool people once again. Thank you, Jared, for hosting us. Thank you, Greg, for answering everyone's questions. Definitely check it out. If you have the ability, I would say, yes, sir, you should do it. Remember, guys, to embrace goodness and you'll attract greatness. Believe me, it has worked for me and it'll work for you too. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I make tech videos weekly in order to keep you well entertained and well informed. Yes, I made that myself. I hope you like it. I make tech videos weekly in 4K to keep you guys entertained and well informed. And until next time, I'm out. Peace. I still do want to get my dad to test these, but he's COVID right now.